Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Gardening is indeed a favorite pastime for us. With our busy and concrete lifestyle, gardening is the only way that keeps us connected to Mother Nature. Gardening gives us make to very concerted immense joy, and we can see the shrubs and flowers growing right from their tender stage till it completely shoots and lush into their green life. This literally gives us a sense of mortality which the living creators have on this planet. Gardening keep our daily life fresh, watering the plants, nurturing them, cleaning them, all give us a sense of freshness and calmness in our mind. Garden can be defined as a piece of a property that is structured near or around our house. Different kinds of trees, beautiful flowers, fruits, vegetables, and so on are cultivated. People are found of roaming many types of gardens. A flower garden, which consists of varieties of beautifully scented flower. A fruit garden that holds nutritious fruits. A vegetable garden is very much loved by the households as they bear healthy vegetables and then which are then cooked and include in their meal are the best example. Apart from these botanical gardens and medicinal herbs gardens that take cure diseases are also included in the hobby. We love to grow fruit or vegetable gardens near our homes as this give us the opportunity to savor to fruit of our hard work in rain. And this kind of garden are known as garden of the kitchen, and colleges have their own garden in order to work as a learning aid for the students. Gardening gives us an insight into some of the best practices of the same that the thanks for watching.